Start with good and great name of Almighty Allah, and today we are here for the quiz competition, and I hope you all are very excited. So let's begin the first round. And the first question is, air sacs present inside the lungs is called,
alveoli,
and that's a great answer, alveoli. Question number 2, what is unit of energy?
J, joule,
And that's a great answer, joule. Question number 3, name the solid fuel.
coal,
And that's again a brilliant answer, coal. Question number 4, what is length of digestive tract?
about 9 meters.
And that's the correct answer, 9 meters. Question number 5, how many protons does aluminum contain?
13,
That's correct answer, 13. Question number 6 is, what is SI unit of current?
I.
And that's wrong answer, ampere. Question number 7, the artery that carry deoxygenated blood to lungs is called?
Pulmonary artery.
Then that's correct answer, pulmonary artery. Question number 8, what is electric current?
It is a charge per unit time.
It's great answer. Charge per unit time is called current. Question number 9, the nucleus has no charge, so it's called?
Neutral.
That's great answer, neutral. Question number 10, what is caused by smoking cigarettes?
Brooches.
And the correct answer is bronchitis. Question number 11, what is voltage?
The
Yes.
amount of energy supplied by the electrical energy to 1 unit charge.
And that's a correct answer. Question number 12, the atom which is mass 4 is called?
Helium.
And that's again a brilliant answer, helium. What system transport food in plants?
Vascular system.
And that's again a brilliant answer, vascular system. Question number 14, voltage is measured by?
Voltmeter.
That's a great answer, voltmeter. Question number 15, which elements contain 15 protons?
Phosphorus.
And that's the correct answer, phosphorus. Which part of plant make eggs?
ovary male part,
Ovary female parts, that's the correct answer, not male part. Question number 17, measurement of shrill and deep sound is called?
pitch,
And that's the correct answer, pitch. Question number 18, which element contains 17 protons?
chlorine,
And that's great answer, chlorine. Question number 19, what is formed when pollen and egg meet?
zygote,
And that's again a great answer, zygote. Question number 20, number of vibrations per second?
frequency,
That's great answer, frequency. Now, what is freezing point of water? Question number 21.
0 centigrade.
That's a great answer, 0 centigrade. Question number 22. What is process of forming a zygote called?
Fertilization.
That's again brilliant answer, fertilization. Question number 23. Heat is related to which kind of energy?
Kinetic energy.
Great, that's correct answer, kinetic energy. Question number 24. The sodium is represented by?
Na.
Great, Na. Question number 25. What causes blockage of arteries?
Bacteria.
That's wrong answer, high cholesterol diet. Question number 26. What is recycling?
The refusing of the water bodies.
And that's again a wrong answer. The process of reusing materials. Question number 27. What is the important components of blood to transport chemicals? And it's time up, and the correct answer is water. Question number 28. A muscular sheet below the lungs is called,
Ribcage.
and that's again a wrong answer, and the correct answer is diaphragm. Question number 29. The distance between crest and trough is called, I think so that Mohammad Habib is not guessing the correct answer again. And time up, and that's again a wrong answer, wavelength. So that's last and final question. So think well before answering. The process of water vapors cool down or condense is called,
Condensation.
that's a great answer, condensation.